Good morning, guys. So the final day is here, and currently we are in Siliguri, leaving for Gangtok right now. After that, we have lot many things on the way. We're gonna cover Indo-China border, close to that, and my brother also joined. He just came like yesterday. You can see him. He's on his 350, and there's my beast. So we're gonna start our journey now, guys. Stay tuned, guys, for more update. Till the time, keep traveling, keep exploring. We started our journey from Siliguri at around 6:30, and we planned that by 11 or 10 we're gonna make it to the Gangtok. When I saw the first glimpse of the beautiful mountain, I was very happy because I was planning this trip from past 3 years and 4 days of driving. And when I saw the first glimpse, I was very happy. That was my moment of happiness because like seeing the dream getting true was a totally different feeling for me. Yesterday when I reached Siliguri, I got a call from my brother and he told that he also on his way to Siliguri and he will join me on this epic trip to Sikkim. Good news for me, at least I got a company. So when he reached, we went to a place called Darjeeling Rider. We hired a bike, we hired 350 and filled 350 for him, and then we began our journey. So we reached Gangtok around 10:30. We checked into the hotel and we rushed towards MG Road to meet Mr. Vivek. He is a broker who helped us in arranging permits for North Sikkim as well as guys East Sikkim. सुबह हमने अपने डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करे एंड इवनिंग तक हमें अपने परमिट्स मिल गए थे, which is very good news because हम नहीं चाहते थे एक पूरा दिन वेस्ट हो जाए because permits take the whole day. So we got the permits and permits मिलने के बाद we explored Gangtok a bit, the MG route and few other places. एंड उसके बाद आई प्लान फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे बिकॉज 7 दिन का परमिट मिला था हमें. सो आई थॉट कि ज़्यादा दिन we're gonna explore the North Sikkim and जो East Sikkim वाला route है we're gonna cover in a day. So I selected कि Changolek, Zuluk and Natula Pass का जो route है सुबह start करेंगे and we get back to Gangtok by 8 by covering all these places. So plan was all set. Plan पूरा बन चुका था. So we slept early. So day one at Gangtok was amazing. Day one at Sikkim was amazing. So I thought कि भाई पहले North Sikkim and East Sikkim हो जाए, then we'll gonna come again to Gangtok and जो भी आसपास की places है, we'll gonna cover that places. So that was day one at Sikkim. I hope you guys like the video. So like, share and guys subscribe. Or don't forget to keep traveling, keep exploring.